Insert the shield plate into the torch. Slide the shield plate with the hole aligned with the torch projection. Next, slip the bonnet over the shield plate, and slide it until it rests against the projection of the torch. Once the shield plate and bonnet have been connected to the torch, carefully insert the torch inside the RF coil, and position it inside the torch stand groove against the other torch projector. Take care of the position of the shield plate, and not to drop the bonnet when installing the torch. Lock the torch in place with the torch stand clip. Connect the plasma and auxiliary gas tubes to the torch, and tighten the connectors by hand. Slide the spray chamber back to the right side, to connect the torch and connector tube. Install the clamp. Install the torch box cover, and tighten the screw. Close the instrument cover.